Welcome to the Bitunix Copy Trading Guide. Here is how copy trading works on the Bitunix app. Copy trading lets you automatically follow futures trades from experienced traders. When a lead trader opens or closes a position, the same trade is executed in your account in real time. Followers gain access to established trading strategies. Lead traders earn a share of followers' net profits. Both sides participate in the same market moves. To become a lead trader, apply through the app. Complete your profile and strategy information. Once approved, place futures trades from the My Orders page. These trades can be copied by followers. You remain in control at all times. Disable copy trading instantly from your profile settings. Open the Futures tab and tap Copy Trading. Browse available traders and select one to follow. You can copy up to 10 traders at the same time. Set your capital and confirm your copy settings. Fixed amount mode uses a set margin for each trade. Fixed ratio mode mirrors the trader's position proportionally. View open positions, trading history, and real-time P&L under My Copy. Profit sharing is settled weekly. If followers earn profits, a portion is shared with the trader. If there is no profit sharing fee applies. That is the Bitunix Copy Trading Guide on the app.